Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Introducing this spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story home for sale. It boasts an inviting open concept kitchen and living area, ideal for gatherings. There is also a spacious dining room. Nestled in the desirable neighborhood of West Kirkland, Red Hills, this property shines with its well-maintained condition and magnificent city view. Unwind in the luxurious master bedroom, complete with its own ensuite. This house sits on a little over a quarter acre of land, just 6 minutes from the foot of the hill. The location provides a peaceful environment while being close to the city. Call today to make this reasonably priced property your home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 65 million or US $422.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.